Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to our CISA video series. Today we'll discuss on jump statements. So let's get started. Jump statements control the flow of execution by transferring it to another part of the program. Control the flow of the execution by transferring it to another part of the program. So it will transfer to the another one part to another part of a program. These statements help in alternating or altering the default sequential execution of code. So it will alter the default sequence of execution of code. Here are the main jump statements. So there are three main jump statements. One is break, continue, and return. So we'll discuss one by one. I have written all the code in our Visual Studio as well. Break is used inside loops and switch statements to exit immediately. If you already seen our what is that switch case or switch statements video, then there also we have used break keyword. So in case of switch statements, we can use break keyword, and other loops as well. We can use break keyword. So what is the major reason to use a break keyword? Prevents unnecessary iterations. So here is the example. So break for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I equal to 5, then break. And outside of this if block, we have written console.WriteLine I. So let's check step by step how it is working. So first it is I is equal to 0. So it will print I. One second. So now it will incremented by 1. Now I is 2. Now I is 3. I is 4. Now I is 5. So I is 5. Now this if block will be executed, and here the break keyword will be there. So this break keyword will come out of this for loop. If you see, it will break the loop and come outside from the loop, and here the execution has stopped. So it will print 0 1 2 3 4 till 4. It will print when it will find this 5. After that, if you see, this loop can be executed till I is equal to 10 or I less than 10, but for this break keyword it will print till 4, and when the value is 5, it will break the loop and come outside from the loop, and the rest of the part will be not executed. Prevent unnecessary iteration. If you see, so this is our break keyword, which is here the main jump statement. Okay, so the part it will flow jump statement control the flow of execution by transferring it to another part of the program. So it will take from one part to another part of the program. That is the jump statement. So let's comment this out and continue. Another jump statement is continue. So what is the requirement of this continue jump statement? Skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. Useful for filtering elements in loops. So skip the current iteration. In case of break keyword, it will come outside of from the loop and the execution stops. But in case of continue, it will only skip the current iteration. Whenever this condition will satisfied, only that iteration will be that iteration will be skipped. Then it will continue from the next iteration. That is the major difference between our break and continue. So here we will put a debugger and check how it is working. So first I is 1. it will print 1, then it is 2, so it will print 2. When it is 3, this condition will be satisfied, it will go for this continue keyword, so it will continue from the next, not come outside, or like it will not come from the loop, it will continue to the next iteration. See, now I is 4, then the same execution will be continued. Only when the execution I is 3, that in that case the iteration will be skipped. I less than equal to 5, so it come outside from the loop, and the output should be 1 2 4 5. Only 3 iteration will be skipped. That is our requirement, or that is our definition for continue. Next is return. So what return will do? Exit from a method and optionally returns a value. So if you see, there is one method called add, which is type of int, and which takes two parameter, which is two integer, int a, int b, and here we are going to return a plus b, and here I am calling the add method and keeping that return variable or return value into this sum variable and printing that sum. So a is 4 and b is 5, so it will return 9. Now whatever the value will be returned, it will kept by this sum variable, that is 9, and it will be print 9 9. So this is our return. Exit from a method and optionally returns a value. Each jump statement has its own purpose, but it's best to use them wisely to maintain clean and efficient code. So every or each jump statement has its own purpose. We can use as per our requirement. That is all about our jump statements. So I hope you found this session helpful and informative. Please check the description below for detailed notes. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more C# topics. See you in the next video.